My latest build is a steeple cab that I just finished. I built it out of 2 Marx tenders. I cut the coal loads off. Then I also built a cab out of styrene sheets. I added handrails and I added ladders that came from a Marx tank car. I painted it in Kennecott livery. I also have 19-volt LEDs in both headlights. I added a bell. This has a lionel coupler on one end because I intend to buy some ore cars and either paint them, or if I can find the K-line ones, I'll go with those. And I left a Marx coupler on the front. And so we'll check it out. I have my Kennecott caboose, work caboose that I got. I think I got that from the K-line Collectors Club, which prompted me to paint it in those colors. So everything seems to be running pretty smooth. We'll try reverse. Great, everything works. Cycles as it should. The E unit works good. The only thing I have left to do is to get a pantograph for it, and I think I'll go with the Lionel one they use for the EP5 or GG1. And so that'll hopefully get it finished and it'll look like a little more like its prototype. So thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget Jesus is Lord.